Okay, so we're doing some testing here. We have two of the Alpha 17-foot whips. So they're spaced 17 feet 4 inches apart. They're tuned in at 14,200. That's what my phasing cables are made for. So there's the first one, and you can see the second one there. If we look on the ground, we have 8 18-foot radials off each of the elements. Oh, it's hot out here already this morning. So there's the second one, and it's got 8 18-foot radials off each one, and I've just got them on stakes in the ground. So for a POTA setup, this goes up really quickly. Once you mark your tune on your cables, you're good to go. So we'll open up the box so you can see what's inside. So we've got our relay board with the 2 relays, and then we've got our cable here that comes in from the radio. This is our control cable here, the gray one, and then we have each of the elements coming on the top, and then down below, which you can't really see real well, is the delay line that's out there. So that's how it's set up. It's a nice clean installation. If you can do it a permanent, you can mount this box on a post and it'd be fine. But that's basically an installation here. Very compact for 20 meters, 17 and a half feet basically between the two elements. That's it.
And let's just go with your call sign again one more time. Okay, I think I got it that time. Whiskey Papa 3 Alpha Victor Delta QSL.
So we strong there, pointing at him, facing southwest, broadside, and then he just goes away. Amazing stuff.
All right, I think you let me down from Pennsylvania.